Hey Bob, you called for a ride?
Yeah, thanks, Frank.
How you doing?
Good. Just, go.
Go?
Go. Go. Go now, Frank. Go! Go now! Now, Frank! Now! Go! Go, Frank! Go!
What are you doing, dude?
Cooling off.
Well, I was using my own to cool off. You
Yeah.
had your 2 to keep you cool.
Well, you had 3. How's that fair?
Now you have 3 and I have 2. How's that fair?
I don't know.
Now it's my turn.
That was only like 5 minutes.
It was actually almost 7.
But you got it for like 10 before.
It's my car. I can use the vents when I want to. I'm actually being a nice guy by letting you use the vents at all.
Yeah. You're a really nice guy.
What are you doing? Put it back.
No. I think I'm getting overheated. I have a condition.
Don't try to pull this crap on me.
You want me to die?
You want me to answer that?
Sure.
Yes.
I thought we were friends.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Get out.
What?
Get out now. What the? You stole my shoes.
So I did.
Whoa. Was
What?
that a body in that cornfield?
Where?
No, never mind. Don't worry about it. No, forget it.
I'll buy you a donut.
You'll buy me a donut if I let you use the air vent.
Yes.
2 donuts. I want 2 donuts.
Fine.
With white cream filling.
Sure. What was that? You said that if I bought you a donut, you would let me use it.
You didn't specify for how long you could use it for, though.
But
You should state that in the agreement next time. Scott? I'm pretty sure you don't want to do that.
I'm pretty sure I do.
What? Last chance.
No! No! You're letting my AC out!
You asked for it.
Stop! No! 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 No!
Well, Bob, it seems like you may have finally learned your lesson. That's mature.
You remember Bucky?
My parrot?
You want to see him again?
Frank! Help me! Help me! Bucky died 3 years ago.
Everything you know is a lie. This is ridiculous. I think you're racist.
That doesn't make any sense.
If you don't point that vent toward me, I'm taking you to court for racial discrimination.
Bob, we're both white.
Yes, that is correct. We're both white. So there is no way we can win this lawsuit. Okay. Thanks anyway, Jerry. I hate you. You know what?
What, Bob?
I'm done. I deserve better than this, Frank.
Oh boy. Bob, put that away.
I didn't want to have to do this.
Bob, we could talk this over.
No. No, we can't.
I'll let you use the middle vent. And the radio if you want.
No, Frank. I need all the vents. All your vents.
All the vent. That's ridiculous. This vent doesn't even reach over to you.
I no longer will be deprived of my entitled comfort.
You realize that if you shoot me, this car is going to crash and you're going to die.
At least I'll have the middle vent with no one to take it from me.
That makes no sense.
That's the only thing I've ever wanted. But you've always denied me of it.
You're an idiot.
I'm sorry, Frank.
Lenore! It's the Tigers again!